Hello boys and girls of the internet, you're welcome. Alright, so what I'll be doing in today's video is that I'll be showing us how to get paid to read aloud. Alright, so you can actually get paid to read aloud, and I'm not going to waste much of our time. I'm going to go into the overview and show us how, we'll see what we must do and what we need to do this. Alright, so I'm just going to scroll up. So it says about this method, and it says you get paid to read aloud. Yes, that's a fact. You can actually get paid to read on the platform I'm gonna show us guys in this video. When you read on this platform, you get paid. All right, and you can get paid from like $50 to $100 per hour by reading on this platform. All right, so it says just one thing needed, and that is your voice. That's one thing that's really needed. Just your voice. You need to be able to read, and if you can be able to read with your voice, you can actually make money. All right, so it says before the end of this video, I will show you how to maximize the use of your voice and make money online. All right, yeah, exactly. I'll show you how to maximize the use of your voice. I'm going to show you tools that you can actually use to enhance your voice. That is before the end of this video. So all you have to do is pay close attention and follow the step-by-step process. So it's going to be a few processes, and all you have to do is just pay attention, pay close attention. Get this platform. Once you get this platform, don't click off this video, because you have to work with me and see what you can do. Right, you see what I need to show you in this video, and when I've shown you that, you can actually get onto making money. Right, it's that simple. All right, so the platform we're gonna use is this platform called ACX. So ACX is a subsidiary of Amazon.com. Right, it's a subsidiary of Amazon.com, and it's called Audible. ACX is called Audible. So it says on the front page here, it says imagine more of your story. Join ACX to get the tools, resources, and support you need to create and sell your audio project. So what happened is, recently, people do not like reading. People don't just love reading. A lot of persons prefer listening to audios, right? And people who have books want actually to get their books to any of their audience, the audience that loves to read and the audience that loves to listen to audios, right? So they write books and they sell it on Amazon, and they wanted to get the audience that just want to listen to it. And all they have to do is they come to this platform and get people to narrate their books. Right, they get people to narrate their books, and these people narrate their books, and they put it on this platform, and they basically make money selling the books. Right, so this is how it works. We are the narrators. We're going to get those books from those people who want us to narrate their books, and they get to pay us either per hour or in royalties. So it's as you want. All right, it's either you get to collect your payments in royalties, or you collect your payments per hour. All right, so let's just scroll down. So it says you can just go through this. All right, this is Audible. It's an Amazon company, just like I said earlier. It's a subsidiary of Amazon.com. All right, so this is what I explained earlier. The power of your audio is in your hands. Authors and narrators and studios, agents and publishers. So we're not going to go through all of this. What we're here to do is we just basically want to be narrators. All right. So we read their stories, we read their books, and we get paid. All right. So let's see how this works. So let's just go over right here and click on how it works. All right. So if you click on how it works, you can actually scroll down, go through this yourself, and look at this. Okay. So we're just going to move over to where we have narrators and studios. So we'll click on narrators and studios here. So a step-by-step guide for every type of creator. So you're a creator, you can read, right, professionally. This platform can actually make you $50 to $100 per hour by just reading these books. So use your voice to bring stories to life and generate income. Thousands of authors are looking to work with independent or studio narrators on ACX. So there are thousands of authors out there that are looking for you, and you can actually maximize this opportunity by making proper use of your voice. All right. So we're still going to see how this works, right? Like I told you earlier, there is step-by-step to this. Right. Create a profile and start auditioning. All right. Showcase your talent in your profile. Whether you're an individual narrator or a studio, your profile is how authors will find you. All right. So it says whether you are an individual narrator or a studio. So you don't necessarily need to have all the studio equipment to be able to work on this platform. You can do this with the basic stuffs that I'm going to show you on this platform. Right. So for this video right now that I'm recording, I'm recording on my laptop screen, and I'm also recording on my phone. Now, for the audio on my phone, it sounds clear, neat, and good, right? So I don't use the audio from the video. All right, so I'm just going to place over the audio from my phone on the video, and yeah, it works fine. So that's something you can do. You can actually use your phone to record this audio. All right, if your phone has a good audio recorder, you can use your phone to record this audio. And when you've recorded the audio using your phone, there are going to be tools that I'm going to show you before the end of this video that you can actually use to actually work on your video, like work on it a little bit, right? And you're gonna get it to the author of the book, and you're gonna make your money. Once it's accepted, you make money. So you start auditioning. All right. So how does it work? It says search for projects, and when you find something that seems like a good fit, record and submit an audition. The authors will provide notes about what they're looking for in audition recording. Make sure the production quality is top notch because you want it to reflect what you can do for their audio project. Take advantage of all ACX useful resources to help you learn how to produce the best possible auditions. So you're going to see those resources, all right? So you're going to check the resources, and we'll see these resources. You can actually know how to make use of it, all right? So step 2, collaborate or create. Work on your terms, make it come to life. So there are people who want to get paid via royalties, and the people who just want to get paid via per hour, right? They want to get paid per hour, like for the work to do. They don't want to royalty. Okay, let me explain what royalty is. So royalty is basically you making money like from the proceed of the sales. So the owner sells, and you get profit from the sales. All right, so that's basically what royalty is. So if you're still starting out, I would say you work per hour, you get paid, and once you are okay enough, you can actually go search for those ones with royalties. Okay, so basically that's it. So now let's go back to home. All right, so when you've gone through this, all right, this is just a short overview of this website. But when you've gone through this website, be sure to do your own research. Read through it, right? Read through it. See the stuffs, all right? We have creators here. We have this woman is a creator, she's a narrator, right? So you can check narrators out, check what to do, and check what makes them useful. You can also go over to YouTube and read stuffs, because you want to do better than your competitors. All right, there are a lot of people who are going to see this video, right? And once they see this video, you can basically use the same information. But if you want to do better than people who are going to see this video, be sure to actually read up, do your research, take stuff for yourself, and make the most out of this, right? So having said this, now I'm going to show us how we're going to be able to get started. So ready to get started, sign up for ACX to get the support you need to create and sell your audio project. Now, just like I told you earlier, this is an Amazon.com subsidiary. So if you click on get started right now, we're going to get redirected to Amazon. So you need to have an Amazon account. So if you do already have an Amazon account, I don't think you should create a new account. But right now, before I go into this, I like to say, and I like to apologize to Nigerians, that if you're in Nigeria and you're visiting this video right now, this website does not allow Nigerians on their platform. And the reason is because of VAT, value added tax. I think it's more to it, but this is basically what I think. So, but there's actually a way you can actually work your way around it. But I must say that it's very, very not professional, and you can actually get banned. So when you click on get started right now, just click on get started. All right, so when it's opened up, you already see I do already have an account with them. All right, so you're gonna have where it says create your Amazon account, and that is here. All right, so you click on create Amazon account, right, and it's gonna show you where you're gonna put in information, right? So you're gonna put in your information, you're gonna fill in the information, and you're gonna create the account. Now, if you put in the information, you click on create an account, put your email, you're gonna see that they're gonna send you. So when you put in your email, your information right here, and you click on create Amazon account, they're going to send you an email. I'm going to show you how this email it's going to be like. So this is how the email is going to look like. It says, you have this email, this code right here. You copy the code and then you paste it in your account. All right. So now, how do you go ahead to create your account? So you're gonna see something like this. All right. So after you've done that part and you've gotten the code, you're gonna have an option where you have to put this. All right. You have your email. You have this. All right. So if you want to create this account, all you have to do is you have to generate a fake ID, all right? So you have to generate a fake ID. But then I'm going to say this and say it again. If you're going to do this and you're in Nigeria, this is going to be risky, all right? So when you generate a fake ID, because you're in Nigeria, your IP address is going to show you're in Nigeria. And I don't even recommend using a VPN, because when you use a VPN, they're still going to find out. So if you're in Nigeria, you can actually let this go. But if you're not in Nigeria, you can actually continue with this method. So click on, if you want to continue with this in Nigeria, just go over and type prepostseo.com/tools/fake tools address generator. All right. So when you do that, you're gonna get to this page and you're gonna have USA. Any country you want to use, just go with USA and then click on I am not a robot. All right, and click on generate. All right, and it's going to generate you this. All right, so you have the information you need here, and with this information you can go ahead and fill in this account. All right, so when you fill the account, when you fill the account information, you can actually search for books, and I would say you go for books that you are comfortable with reviewing, with reading the books, like with doing the audio work on. All right, so I am good at finance, so I would go with finance books. If you're good at health and health niche, just go with health. If you're good with sports, just go with sports. All right, so that works, and that is it basically. So with this strategy, you just go ahead, sign on the platform, and start making money. It's that easy. So having reviewed to you guys this platform, be sure you practice it out. If you're in countries like USA and Australia, Canada, be sure to do this, and you start making money ASAP by just reading audio aloud. All right, so having said this and having passed this information, guys, I'm going to allow you guys to put into action what I've showed you in this video, and see you guys in my next video where I show you guys another awesome method. Peace out.